Hello guys, it's my lady here, and today I'm here doing a video on how to grow peas. And I planted two seeds like here and here, and like I don't even really care if they join together. They're still just gonna grow, and it's gonna go like probably that direction, you know. So like take a good look, guys. I mean, these didn't really take long to sprout, just 7 days, and they sprouted, not bad. And then they just about a week and a half old. Peas, and also when they're this, big, you can give them nutrients. It's safe to give them nutrients. You can give them some root organics, herb, natural tea for plants. What you do is put a little scoop of that in a gallon of water, like a little scoop of that, a decent scoop in a gallon of water, like not too much, to about probably 2 tablespoons, and be like, yeah, mix it with water, shake it up, and then you can pour nutrients on it, and then you can just grow better. So this is just good stuff here. I even have some peas. Like I just threw them there to see if they grew, and they did. Apparently, when I just all this grass and stuff, I just decided to leave it there. Like after all this was dug up, and I planted pea seeds in there, and you know what's funny? They're just growing in here. They're just growing in here, like they're just growing. This is growing, and like no joke, like if you do that, it'll just grow. And say if this whole thing was covered in whatever, you'll be able to grow whatever just out of grass, a little bit of soil, and whatever. It just fertilizes the plant and makes it grow big. I mean, it's not even a joke. Wow, like you don't see that every day. And for all you guys that fucking well say I don't have a green thumb, you get this, boy. Alright? So everybody who support my channel, cool. Anyway, that's just how to grow peas. I mean, this is just a thing I did, and they surprisingly grew, and they're still growing. But they won't be there for long. I'm mostly focused on the ones in the dirt over there. But these ones were just an experiment, and wow, this is like compost. Because it is just rotten grass and twigs with a little dirt. This is just compost, so yeah. Growing straight out of compost. Straight out of compost. I got the plant and I'm growing. Oh yeah, man, look at that green show. Nigga, you don't grow like I grow. Nigga know me. Got the chlorophyll. You know how to deal. Oh, 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 oh. That's a joke. But fuck. Yeah. So this is what my garden's looking like. And one carrot right there that took so long to sprout. But more have been placed down. Storm wiped out everything, but this is just showing you my garden update. And also, well, this avocado pear tree seeing better days, but to be honest, it's still growing. Got that crown right there. But, yeah, pretty much. So, yeah, that's pretty much how to grow peas. And thank you for, your support and everything. So, yeah, cool.